This story is new tonight at 9. A suburban family was honored tonight for their act of kindness during the recent polar vortex.
WGN's Patrick Elwood live in Morton Grove with their story. Hi, Patrick.
Hi, guys. Good evening to you. A second reference to the polar vortex this evening on our news. Perhaps this one will leave you with more of a warm feeling. Morton Grove family recognized tonight for spreading the love during the polar vortex.
We can't thank you enough, and thank you for showing what Morton Grove really is about. Thank you.
The accolades for the Ahmed family came tonight before the Morton Grove City Council for what they did during January's polar vortex.
Then we realized that what would Jesus would do? What would Muhammad would do, right?
Their thoughts turned to their elderly neighbor and then grew from there.
So we thought, what about her? What if she needs any help in those 2 days, 5 days of cold spell? Then we thought, what about so many other neighbors who may be sick, who may be old, who may be disabled?
They put this letter in 40 of their neighbors' mailboxes and even put out an invitation to come to their home.
Grocery shopping, removal of the snow, medicine pickup. And if you are able to, drop into our house for hot tea and samosas. We are there to help you.
And as you now learn of what the Ahmed family has done, they ask this of you, me, and us moving forward.
We hope and pray that each person who is seeing this letter, that they would write something similar, and not just for winter, by the way. This should be like a lifelong activity for all the neighbors, every city, every state.
A January act of kindness. That gentleman and his family hopes that you help spread through all seasons of the year. Reporting from Morton Grove, Patrick Elwood, WGN News. Joe and Micah, back to you.
Oh, if only everyone could be like that. Thank you, Patrick.